हेलो स्टूडेंट्स एंड व्यूवर्स, कैसे हैं आप सब लोग। स्वागत है आपका मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल स्टडी विद डॉक्टर पवन ओबराय पर। मैं डॉक्टर पवन ओबराय, हेड ऑफ डिपार्टमेंट फैकल्टी ऑफ कॉमर्स, भगवती कॉलेज मेरठ। व्यूवर्स, फर्स्ट टाइम अगर आप मेरा चैनल देख रहे हैं तो मेरा चैनल स्टडी विद डॉक्टर पवन ओबराय को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिएगा, लाइक और शेयर भी करते रहिएगा अपने फ्रेंड सर्कल में, और जो है बेल आइकन भी प्रेस कर लीजिएगा ऑल नोटिफिकेशंस लिए, ठीक है। क्योंकि यूनिवर्सिटी की जो भी कोई लेटेस्ट न्यूज़ आती है तो वो मैं अपने चैनल पे डिस्कस करता हूँ और आप लोगों से शेयर करने की पूरी कोशिश करता हूँ। दूसरा, अभी थोड़ी देर पहले मैंने एमकॉम मार्केटिंग मैनेजमेंट का एमकॉम सेकेंड ईयर CCS यूनिवर्सिटी मेरठ का क्वेश्चन पेपर डिस्कस किया 2015 का इंग्लिश मीडियम में। तो ये जो है बीकॉम थर्ड ईयर में जो आपका किसी भी यूनिवर्सिटी में अगर प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ मार्केटिंग के नाम से पेपर है तो भी आपके लिए ये क्वेश्चन पेपर हेल्प करेगा, और किसी यूनिवर्सिटी में अगर एमकॉम में है मार्केटिंग मैनेजमेंट किसी दूसरी यूनिवर्सिटी में भी, तो वो भी आपके लिए हेल्प करेंगे। ये पेपर मैं आपसे CCS यूनिवर्सिटी का डिस्कस कर रहा हूँ। और ये सारे पेपर्स व्यूवर्स, प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ मार्केटिंग की प्लेलिस्ट अलग है, 2 प्लेलिस्ट हैं, प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर और चैप्टर वाइज क्वेश्चन। दूसरा, एमकॉम की जो ये वाले क्वेश्चंस हैं मार्केटिंग मैनेजमेंट सोल्ड पेपर के नाम से प्लेलिस्ट बनी हुई है, तो उसमें आपको एमकॉम के सारे पेपर मिलेंगे और चैप्टर वाइज प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ मार्केटिंग के MCQs भी मिलेंगे। अगर कोई PDF फाइल लेना चाहता है तो जो नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मोबाइल नंबर दे रखा है तो आप लोग मुझसे कॉन्टैक्ट कर सकते हैं, तो आपको PDF फाइल भी जो है अवेलेबल हो सकती है, ठीक है व्यूअर्स। चलिए, तो 2017 का मेन पेपर डिस्कस करते हैं और उसके बाद हम अगली वीडियो में 2017 का बैक पेपर भी डिस्कस करेंगे CCS यूनिवर्सिटी मेरठ का, ठीक है। तो देखिए, मैं ज़्यादा क्योंकि कल एग्ज़ाम है और जो है मैं ज़्यादा इसको डिस्कस नहीं करूँगा, सिर्फ आपसे जो है मैं आंसर ही डिस्कस करूँगा। देखिए, टिक लगा हुआ है सामने, है ना, तो एक रिवीजन पर्पज से मैं ये आपके साथ शेयर कर रहा हूँ। चलिए स्टूडेंट, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, Which of the following is the essential of a good copy of advertising? तो option D is correct. All of these means attractive, suggestive, and sentimental. Which of the following is not the pre-testing method of evaluating advertising effectiveness? तो option C, both A and B means recognition test and recall test. व्यूवर्स, ये स्टूडेंट्स अगर आप BEd एंट्रेंस की, TGT की और PGT की या NTA नेट की भी तैयारी कर रहे हैं तो भी आपके लिए क्वेश्चंस बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल रहेंगे, ठीक है। चलिए, क्वेश्चन 3, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द आफ्टर टेस्टिंग मेथड ऑफ इवेल्युएटिंग एडवर्टाइजिंग इफेक्टिवनेस? बी, रिकॉग्निशन टेस्ट। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग मीडिया ऑफ एडवर्टाइजिंग कैन मेंटेन secrecy? Option C, mail advertising. The first objective of any advertisement is to, option A is correct, provide effective communication. After sales service is the part of, option C, marketing. Selling is dash function, option A, an economic function. Marketing research process begins with, option C, problem formulation. Marketing research process ends with, option D, preparation of the research report. Marketing research is helpful in, option C, A and B means both identification of problem and solution of problem. The option C is correct, both A and B. Which one of the following is the part of marketing research? Option D is correct, all of the above means market research, consumer research and motivation research. Service as product has outstanding attribute of, option A, heterogeneity. Which of the following is the form of international marketing? Option C, both A and B means project exports and export of services. Which of the following is a function of WTO? Option C is correct, both A and B means settlement of disputes and trade review mechanism. Concession on air freight is not given on the which product among the following? Option C, both A and B, means banana and Alfonso mango. Which of the following can issue the certificate of origin? Option A, most important question, Chamber of Commerce. Service cannot be. Option D, all of these, means touched, seen and smelt. तो option D is correct, all of these. FTP means मतलब full name is File Transfer Protocol. WWW means most important question, World Wide Web. Which of the following is the key party in the relationship marketing? Option D is correct, all of these, means suppliers, distributors and customers. Marketing is the creation and delivery of a standard of living. This statement is of. Option A, Professor McNair. Which of the following is a center point of marketing concept? Customer. The most fundamental concept which must be realized as being the basis of all marketing activities is called. Option C, the need to generate consumer satisfaction. The existence of business depends on marketing. Which of the following is a key link between producer and ultimate consumer? Option D, all of these, means distributor, wholesaler and retailer. When the products are being sold with a small area only, the market is known as local market. Which of the following is represent a market targeting technique? B, market integration. Which one of the following is not a physical distribution function of marketing? D, product planning and development. Importance of marketing concept is for. Option D, all of these, means consumers, producers and society. The basic objective of modern marketing is C, consumer satisfaction. Which one of the following is required for an effective market segmentation? D, all of the above, means market responsiveness, nature of demand and C, sustain. Market segmentation can be done on the basis of D, geographic location. When the company follows one product, one segment principle is called A, differentiated marketing. In the industry, challenger firm is called A, runner-up firm. Which of the following is not among the 4 P's of marketing mix? C, process. In an environment, only one thing is fixed and that is change. Who said this? Option A, Alvin Toffler. Which of the following is uncontrollable factors of marketing environment? Option D, none of the above, means no policy of the firm and no organization structure. Which of the following is related to macro environment? C, economic environment. Factors which indirectly affect the market operation ability of the company are known as. Option A, uncontrollable factors. चलिए next question 40. The purpose of a company is to create a customer. Who said this? A, Peter F. Drucker. Consumer behavior covers the study of the activities of. C, final users. Consumer behavior is, option D is correct, all of them, means mental thinking, wide process and uncertain. In marketing a purchase decision, the consumer goes through which the following stages? Option D, all of the above, means need recognition, evaluation of alternatives and purchase intention. Which of the following is not a psychological factor? D, family income. Which of the following is not a user? D. Potential user. Which of the following is not a buyer behavior model? A. Motivational model. Consumer Protection Act was enforced in B. 1986. Which of the following factors influences the product mix? D is correct. All of these means marketing, production and finance. Product line refers to option A group of closely related products. Product mix is of dash. C. Three-dimensional. When goods and services are used by ultimate consumers, they are termed as option C. Consumer goods. Industrial goods are those which are used by A. Manufacturing units. Which of the following is an industrial product? Option D is correct. All of the above means production equipments, production supplies and production materials. At the time of fixing the standard for a product, which one of the following physical properties is considered? A. Size, shape and dimensions. Product elimination means A. The termination of product in product line. A strategy of increasing sales by improving existing products for current markets is called option A. Product development. When the firm seeks to enter the new product in the new market is called option C. Diversification. The product development encompasses the technical activities of product research, engineering and designs. This statement is of A. W.J. Stanton. W for William J. Stanton. Which of the following is the first setup in new development product process? C. Creation of new product ideas. Which of the following is a reason of failure of new product? Option D is correct. All of the above means inadequate market analysis, cutthroat competition, insufficient marketing efforts. So option D is correct. All of the above. Product has dash life. B. Limited. Which of the following is not a stage of product life cycle? Option D. Monopoly. In which stage of the product of the following death of a product take place? D. Decline. The Agriculture Produces Grading and Marketing Act was enforced in C. 1937. The most basic function of branding is C. Identification. A brand that is given legal protection is called, most important question, trademark. When the same product is offered under different brand name is called multiple brand. Which of the following marks is being used for food items? C. FPO mark. Packaging is in the interest of D. All of these means producer, consumer and middleman. For marketing labeling is D. Compulsory. Price policy should be in the favor of D. All of these means consumer, government and producer. Price policy is determined by A. Top management. The exchange value of a product in its monetary value is called A. Price. Which one of the following determines the profitability of a firm? C. Pricing. Which one of the following pricing method is not based on cost? B. Fixed price cost. Which one of the following pricing policy is based on the break-even analysis? A. Target return pricing policy. Which one of the following is not a promotional pricing policy? B. Prestige pricing policy. Which one of the following is not a correct statement? Option A is correct. There is no difference between discount and rebate. ठीक है, चलो. Physical distribution is the main element of, see, marketing mix. Which of the following is not a function of physical distribution? D. Managing finance. Which of the following is not a function of channel of distribution? A. Managing production. Which one of the following determine the length of the channel? D. All of the above. Means size of market, order size and service requirement. Which one of the following is following direct channel is where producer can sell directly to the customers without the help of intermediaries? Option D. All of the above. Means through opening retail shops, through mail order business and through online business. So D is correct. All of the above. A variety of products sold through coin operated machine is known as A. Vending machine. Which one of the following may be retailer on the basis of ownership? D. All of the above. Means cooperative stores, independent stores and multiple stores, multiple shops. Middleman, when generally handle the goods he sells but does not own them, is called A. Commission merchant. Decentralized buying with centralized selling is a feature of A. Departmental stores. Which one of the following is not a land transport? C. Air transport. The amount of inventory required to meet the average lead time is known as B. Safety stock. Inventory control include option D. All of the above. Means raw material, finished goods and semi-finished goods. D. All of the above. Which one of the following promotional components have higher cost per transaction? D. Sales promotion. Promotion includes advertising, personal selling, sales promotion and other selling tools. This statement is of option A. W. J. Stanton. W for William J. Stanton. Receiver's response to the message is called option D. None of these. Means no encoding, no decoding, no messaging. Which of the following is a controllable variable of communication? D. Marketing mix. Which of the following is the method of sales promotion? Option D. All of the above. Means sampling, demonstration and C. Trade fairs and exhibitions. POP stand for point of purchase. C. Point of purchase. Publicity is a part of dash relation. C. Marketing and customers. Which of the following is not the activity of public relation department? B. Indoor communication. Which of the following is the objective of public relation? Option D. All of the above. Means two-way flow of information, generating awareness and appreciation of concerns, policies and performance. So option D is correct. All of the above. Advertising can be described as the art of creating a demand for an article of a service. This statement is of option C is correct. CL Bowling. तो व्यूवर्स, इसके बाद मेरे पास क्वेश्चन जो है पेपर 2017 का बैक पेपर भी है, तो इसके बाद अगली ही वीडियो में मैं वो भी आपसे डिस्कस करूंगा। और मैं बता दूं कि मैं 2019 का भी डिस्कस कर चुका हूं आपसे, 2020 का भी डिस्कस कर चुका हूं और मैं आपसे 2018 का भी डिस्कस कर चुका हूं। तो जो स्टूडेंट मेरे वीडियो फर्स्ट टाइम देख रहे हो तो प्लेलिस्ट में जाकर के सब्सक्राइब करके चैनल स्टडी विद डॉक्टर पवन ओबराय प्लेलिस्ट में जाकर के मार्केटिंग मैनेजमेंट सोल्ड पेपर देखें, तो वहाँ पर 2018, 19, 20, 2014, 15 और ये वाला पेपर, ठीक है, 2017। एक पेपर और रह गया है 2017 का बैक पेपर, तो वो भी मैं आपसे जल्दी अभी थोड़ी देर बाद जैसे ही ये वीडियो अपलोड होती है तो मैं डिस्कस करूँगा। ठीक है व्यूवर्स, कल के एग्ज़ाम के लिए मेरी तरफ से बेस्ट ऑफ लक और अच्छे से पेपर करके आइएगा। ठीक है, थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स।